up, guys? Welcome back to Max B Vlogs. Today we have a 2013 Ford Explorer, and this car is having problems with the washer fluid is not functioning right. So that's what we're gonna be working on today. Okay, so I'm in the car right now. I'm gonna press the button of the washer fluid and see if anything comes out. And we've checked, there is washer fluid in here. So it should be coming out. So let's press the button and see what happens. Yeah, no washer fluid comes out. So we're gonna pop the hood and we're gonna see what's wrong with the washer fluid machine. Okay, so we're gonna open the hood and we're gonna check it out. These cars are kind of hard.
2 hours later.
Okay, so right here is the motor fluid lines. The wiper fluid lines. And as you can see right here, there's blue liquid, which is the wiper fluid. So that means through this line, it's a leak. So that also means that the motor is very good because it's pumping up motor. I keep calling it motor fluid, wiper fluid. So yeah, so we're gonna have to take this off and check what's wrong with that. And we're probably gonna have to replace it. Let's go. Okay, so we found the problem, and the T is actually completely broken from the tube that goes to the windshield fluid. So this is actually broken too. This is what connects to the lines, and it's completely not pumping. So what was happening was this was just letting out fluid and letting it drip through the whole hood. So we're gonna go to our junkyard and we're gonna go get a part car for this, so we can take that part and put it on this car. Alright guys, so we're on our way to the junkyard to go get the piece for the Ford Explorer. And yeah, so once we get to the junkyard, we're gonna take out that piece off of the Ford, and then we're gonna go back and put it onto the other Ford Explorer. So yeah. And the car that we're in right now is a Lexus LX 470. This is a beast. I'm gonna do a spec video on this, and it's just gonna be crazy. I love this car. This car is a tank. This thing can go through anything. But yeah, I'll meet you guys at the junkyard. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're here in the junkyard, as you can see, and we have a couple Explorers here to pick. We're gonna go through some of them and see if we can find that part that we're looking for, and then we're gonna take it out and we're gonna be on our way to the good car. Okay, so we found the car that we're gonna be taking out the piece of. The piece is in good shape, so we got this stick here to keep the hood up, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so this is the part right here, and as you can see, we took off the cover, and it's in perfect condition, as you can see. So I'm just gonna take these apart so I can get the part out. Whew. Came out like nothing. So this is the piece that broke on the other one, and yeah, so let's put it in the car and let's save it. Okay, so we got the part for the Ford, and we're on our way back to the car at home. So now that we have the part, once we get home, we're gonna install that, and then we're gonna see how it works, and we're gonna show you guys. Let's go. All right, so we have the parts here. We're gonna open the hood and we're gonna put them in. Let's go. Alright, so we got it all set up, and now we only gotta do is attach this to the hose. So let's do that. Oh, there you go. So it should be all set up, so let's test it out. Okay, let's see. Moment of truth. Yeah! There you go, guys. So it finally works now. This trip was crazy. So we went to the junkyard. We got the piece. We got the piece, and we put it back on the car, and now it's working like if it just came out of the factory. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below if you think I did a good job on this car. Don't forget to turn on post notifications and get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, stay tuned.